What's up, guys? Today we're in Wal Mart farting on people.
Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody. Grip the
I hear you. I've been stopped up for days.
I took 3 gas X. I've been farting all through the store.
Uh-oh.
See, I ain't like you. I walked real nice down the alley.
You did the sneak attack.
Yeah, and then I went real fast.
You too. Oh, gosh.
Everybody got there.
I gotta do it again. Oh, God. Excuse you. I don't know how you charge these batteries up. You just, Don't buy that one, though. Don't buy that one. It's got to be your own charge.
fucking funny?
Yeah. Why are you getting
That's
so bad?
disgusting.
For what? It's air.
Out of your ass.
No, it's fake.
See, why do you think you have nothing to giggle? I thought...
Come here, give me a